Hi guys. Do you know what is the main reason or why we all human beings suffer? There are three major reasons. Number one is our karma. Number two is our own conditioning from our childhood, whatever has happened, however we have been brought up, the different kinds of conditions in our childhood. And number three, our own blocks, mental and emotional blocks, different kinds of blocks. But all of these are coming from one place, and that is our mind. From today, I am going to create an awareness to understand for each one of you why we human beings suffer and what can be done about it. What are the different reasons, different causes in depth for 7 days from today. So this is an awareness campaign, if you want to call it. So from today we are going to start that. Today is day 1 of the awareness campaign. So first thing first, why do we suffer? Everything is coming from one place, which is called our mind. Our mind is such a beautiful God's gift. If properly utilized, it could be a great servant, a faithful servant. But if you don't know how to control your mind, how to access your mind, how to use your mind or take care of your mind, then it becomes a very dangerous monster. So why do we suffer most of the time? Why do we suffer? We suffer because we are always living up there in our mind, in our head, and not in life. Because we are thinking all the time. And what are we thinking about? We are thinking about either the past or we are worrying about what's going to happen in the future. We are always up in that place called the mind, inside our head, continuously thinking and thinking and thinking. This is the main problem that because of which we suffer. Second thing, we think that and we feel that because we have been taught that from our childhood, most of us, that whatever we think is true for us and we believe that. But it is not at all true. You are not your thoughts. Absolutely take this from me. You are not your thoughts. Your thoughts are different and you are different. I hope you get some relief by knowing this, that you are not your thoughts. You don't have to believe your thoughts, whatever thoughts you get. Because either they are coming from the past or you're thinking about your future, what will happen. Anxiety and worry and fear and all of that stuff. But where is the past and where is the future? They don't exist right now. They exist only in your head. Right now is only this moment. If I erase your memory, then you don't have a past. There is no past in your physical reality or even in your body. It only exists in your mind. So there is no past. You keep on thinking about your past and you suffer because of that. So you're not your thoughts basically, so you don't have to suffer. Let those thoughts come and just watch them. So 2 things from today. Today's awareness session. You're not your thoughts. Let your thoughts come by and pass by. You don't have to accept them, you don't have to believe them. And past is past. It doesn't exist anywhere. Okay? Bye.